Have you ever heard of tilt and turn style windows? They are great for energy efficiency. This window here is made up of 3 units. We have a fixed window in between, which is a triple pane, and this one does not open. It offers you the maximum possibility for outward view. If we want a large volume of air to be moving in for our home, it's a wonderful way we can achieve this. We can open the window all the way, and we have a variety of versatility of both options. For ventilation, we can just tilt the window. This window allows just a small amount of airflow. During rainy days, the rain stays outside. You get a great ventilation at night or during the day, just for fresh air. Tested to North American NFRC standard, these thermal break aluminum tilt and turn windows are favored by many customers from the US and Canada. Give us a call if you are interested to get a quote.